Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to use EMI options for payment using CC Avenue Payment Gateway on the dental material shop. So to purchase your most favorite dental supply, access dentalmaterialshop.com, come down and select the product that you would want to purchase. I'm going to select a sample from here. I'll be selecting 3M Kitak Molar Glass Ionomer Cement. Select the product. Add it to the cart. If you want to purchase more products, you can continue shopping. So I'll select one more product. I'll select GC's Flexseed Kit. I'm adding it to cart. Now you have selected two products. If you want to continue shopping, you can do that. Or if you are done with shopping, come to the thumbnail over here. This is your cart and your subtotal will be shown here. Please check out by clicking on the checkout button. Now this brings you to the shopping cart page wherein you have to enter your billing details. I'm entering my name and billing details over here. If you want to create an account at this stage, you can do that by checking this box. Or if you need to ship to a different address, you need to check this box. In my case, both are the same. If you have order notes, you can enter here. Now, the section gives a review of the order. You can check your order here. And if you want to edit the order, you need to go back. Now, coming to payment methods, by default, your payment option is given as direct bank transfer. For EMI option, you have to select CC Avenue, which is the second option for the payment gateway. After selecting the payment option, click on Place Order button. You will be taken to the CC Avenue Payment Gateway integration page. Wherein you will be given a section for entering the billing information. Now coming to the payment information, please select EMI options and select your bank. Assuming that it is ICICI Bank, you will be shown also different EMI durations. I'm selecting the 3 EMI option. And you can see the monthly installments to be paid and the total cost. You can compare the total amount and the final cost over here and the interest rates per bank. You can select a different bank if you have an account or card of any of these banks. So I'm sticking to ICICI. And now you have to enter your bank number over here. I'm just entering a random number. And then you have to choose the expiry time period of the bank, of the card, and the CVV number. That's it. And now you have to click on Make Payment button. So once you enter a valid card number and the card is accepted, you can make the payment over here. Once you click on make payment, you will be taken to the bank interface wherein you will be asked for verifying your account, and you will be sent an OTP for verifying the payment. So friends, this is very easy, the EMI option, and the cost is also minimally higher than the total amount. But you get the luxury of paying over a period of time. I hope this was informative. If you have any more clarifications, don't hesitate to reach out to us at 89431 09396. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.